We're starting the trail. Alright, so you are lost in the jungle and you don't know what to do. You just find this tree and you just swing. And you pass out the time until you die. And that's how you have happy death in the jungle. It shouldn't be boring and it can be fun. So don't despair if you get lost in the jungle in Thailand. All you have to do is just find this and you shall be happy. See you in the afterlife. I've lost my GoPro and I've just been running for the past half an hour all the way up just to find this sucker. Damn jungle and down these. Oh God. Whew. So this is crazy. There were I had to make a run for it. God damn, that was a long. You can see I'm out of breath, and I really consider myself, you know, I have a good conditioning. So you can imagine what it means to be running in the jungle with such shoes. Look, these are casual shoes, but it's the only shoes I'm traveling with. Only one pair. I don't need that much, but that's a story to be told. Oh my God. Whew. I'm glad I didn't even, realize that my GoPro is missing in this 2-hour trek. But it was anyway, it was a midway. Anyway, enough of me talking, and it's time to run back to the group, but they already moved, so I guess I'm on my own now. So let us run back hard. All right, folks, off we go. So you can see how much I had to go up running. This is a good workout. Oh, still just a good day. Another excuse to work out, man. Another excuse. Just get your GoPro lost in the jungle and go running to get it back. Found it. Well, I have to run. I lost my GoPro, so I found it. Sorry. Lost it.
You found it?
Yeah, I had to run all the way up. It is. See you around, guys. Have a good time. get in my way like a mountain goat. We're almost there. Left behind. Alright, so we have to run. I'm making. Alright, this one's tricky. This is a jungle run now. It's no longer hike. It's a jungle run. Oh God, amazing. All right. And I'm loving it. I'm loving every bit of it. Even though I'm out of breath, but it's still, it's worth it.
I think you find it.
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
The whole?
Uh-huh.
I thought only this one.
No, the whole thing.
Whoa.
The whole camera was
Where?
all the way up.
To the mountain?
Yeah.
The
So-
one of this wing?
Yeah, around there.
No.
So,
Fallen.
yeah, I had to run all the way up.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fun. I don't mind a good workout.
Okay.
All right, so.
Okay, I will hold for you.
Oh, that's a story to be told. You know, you can see how much I'm sweating.
You wanna take photo?
Huh?
Wanna take
Photo.
photo?
I look like shit. But yeah, this thing is great. Well, hello folks. After a good run, so all we have to do now is just sit here and pose. I'm gonna pose for the video, for the audio. Yeah. So it's a good day. Still, it's a good day. I feel so refreshed with this waterfall. Around here is just amazing. It's so refreshing, and I'm enjoying every bit of it. I'm not sure if you could hear me, but because I don't have my mic with me, but you get to see it, the waterfall and this whole surrounding. All right, folks, let's keep going. And this day is just getting better and better. You know, it's raining now. I'm all wet, muddy. I fell down. So it's like, what more you could ask for? Really not more you could ask for. All right, folks, so we're heading out to the village. I think it's like a 30-minute more walk. It's an easy walk still, but the weather is brilliant. It's which touch back once we're there.
The photo for you.
No photo, video. You take this.
Yeah.
I'll be behind.
No. This
The
one.
opposite way?
Yeah.
The opposite way. So,
Yeah. One.
no, it's
No.
okay. It's recording. Yeah.
It's okay.
So today you pay me $5 for this. $5. $5. You go fast. This. Okay, this or this. No,
No,
here
no.
like this. We grind all day. That's what you do? All day.